in a way, Arduino made everybody developing very easy hardware project. The next stage is letting everybody produce their very own PCBs with an Arduino inside, doing what they want. So if you have you have a lot of people now milling their own circuits inside the Fab Labs, or somebody is hatching them with the acid. I mean, there are several processes, and I've seen most of all done in this makerspace, like in any other makerspace around the world. But if you give a tool to everybody to develop their own PCBs, then you merge a very huge you merge a very huge gap, which a lot of people have in developing their own devices. Nowadays in the Fab Labs, you have everything you need in order to produce short series of products. And with that part, which is already there, I mean, you can already use KiCad and it works just fine if you know how to master it. But then you can produce several parts of PCBs, and then you can create the case, you can laser cut or 3D print it, and then you can test it. So these Fab Labs are in a way the factories of the next generation of factories, where you produce just what you need, and that's something that amazed me up.